John, Harvey, thanks for joining us once again on Ground Cover TV.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
John, we usually do these interviews in the paddock, but today we're in the office. Tell me about that. Why are we here?
This week really is an opportunity for all of the three regional panels to bring to Canberra the issues in their regions. So leading up to what's occurring today, the regional panels have been out talking to growers, talking to their regional cropping solution groups, talking to researchers, talking to advisors. But we also have, feeding into those regional panels, a series of regional cropping solution groups. So, for example, if you take West Australia, we have 4 regional cropping solution groups based on the port zones, and approximately 70 growers and advisors that will go through the local regional issues and feed those back up to our regional panels before they come to Canberra. That's really important.
Just how important are those regional cropping solutions networks for helping GRDC to respond quickly?
They've really added a huge dimension and I think improved our ability to actually target the GRDC levy.
Since we last spoke, GRDC has been quite active in producing and releasing new products and services. What stands out for you there?
Whatever we're doing, the question I'm always asking is, okay, now what does that bit of research information, what does it actually mean in a farming context? How can growers adapt that? How can they use that on their farm to actually increase their yield or reduce their costs or increase the quality of the product? So the products and services that come out of GRDC is something that I am really passionate about and focused on. And the grow notes, I guess, that we've just released up in the northern part of Australia is an example of a new product which I think really captures that. It's organised around the sequence which you need to go through as you grow the crop, and I think it's really exciting. It's linked up with a whole lot of source documents, so that if there's more that you need to know about a particular area, you can very easily go back to the actual research outcomes which actually inform that decision making.
Now, this early part of the year is always quite busy with crop updates. Now, was there anything in this round that really stood out for you?
Probably something we've done a little bit different was to run some specific updates on farm business, and the response was absolutely overwhelming, oversubscribed. In fact, in West Australia we had to stop publicising it because we just couldn't actually take any more registrations. And the feedback from those workshops, the relevance to the businesses, the content, the delivery was absolutely outstanding, the feedback we got from growers that attended. So to me that was probably a highlight, something we've done different, something which I'm sure we will continue to do in the future.
Not everyone's able to get to their local crop updates or farm business updates. How does a person get access to that content?
For those people that weren't able to make it along to one of the updates, we do put all the papers onto our website, and there are also some recording of the presentations there as well.
John, it's been great to talk to you again. Thanks for speaking with Ground Cover TV.
Thank you.